We have number 6 here. We're asked to write the equation of a line that has the following characteristics. Notice every single equation of the line has to be written in y is equal to the slope, which is m, times x plus the y-intercept of b. So we need these values to write this. First, it says it has a slope of 1/2. So m is equal to 1/2. Then it says it has a y-intercept of 5. So b is equal to 5. It is translated very neatly here. So all we have to do is grab our equation right here and use that equation. So the slope is m. So we just take that out, write the slope of 1/2. We need b, which is 5. So we write the equation. So we write the value of 5. There you go. This would be the line right here. Y is equal to 1/2 x plus 5. Okay, b, it has the slope of 4 and passes through the point negative 2, 5. If we use this equation while we have the slope, m is equal to 4, we don't have the y-intercept. That point here is not the y-intercept. So we have to get the y-intercept somehow. And the way we do this in geometry is that we want to see it visually. There is a way to calculate it, but in geometry, I want to show you how to get it visually. So the point here is at -2, 5. So we plot it, -2, 5 is up here. Based on the slope is 4/1. So this means it went up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4/1. Then it went also up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. So it went up to 11, 12, 13, all the way up here. So that's how that line would look like. So the b here would be 13. So I write y is equal to the slope of 4/1, if you want, x plus 13. All right? All right, let's say you don't believe me, okay? All you have to do is you can double check by graphing it. Here's Desmos, okay? I graph y is equal to 4x plus 13. Do you see how it goes here? And I also label that point of -2, 5. So did it passes through that point of -2, 5? Yes, it did right here. Then it also has that same slope, okay? This is how you can double check.